Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, I'm making the ultimate, or I consider an ultimate, chicken pasta salad. There's tons going on in there. It's not that just, mayo, pasta, chicken. Ugh. This is absolutely fun-packed and delicious. Let's get on with it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is prepare our chicken. So I've got there one chicken breast, no skin, no bone, and I've cut it into nice small pieces. What we're going to do is get a little bit, teaspoon of oregano, a little bit of lemon juice in there, maybe 2 tablespoons, a couple of cloves of garlic. We're going to get a little bit of salt in there. We're going to get some black pepper in there. And then a little touch of olive oil, maybe just a tablespoon. Just going to give that a little mix. Now, if you have time, you could pop this in the refrigerator and leave it for a bit. But I don't have any time today, so we're going to get straight to the cooker with this one. So I've got a dry pan, skillet, whatever you call that. What we're going to do is get our chicken in. We want it above medium heat. I'll just put that on now. And we're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. As you can see, really nice thin pieces of chicken. So it's going to cook really, really quickly. And you can get it really nice and brown if you want. It's up to you. But yeah, I'll be back in about 5. Keep it moving around, flip it over. Okay, so off goes the heat. Like I say, I'm happy right here. It's cooked nicely, but if you want, you could brown it off a little bit more. Very simply, we're going to fetch that out. Then we're going to get over back to the table. I'll show you all the other ingredients. There's quite a lot going in this one, but it really is beautiful. I love it. All right, let's have a look at what we have here then. So pasta I'm using fusilli. You can be using any pasta you want. Get it cooked. Rocket or a regular, or whatever you call that. We call it rocket in the UK. Couple of hard-boiled eggs. There's our chicken, a nice lemon and garlic on there. Mayonnaise, grated mozzarella, chopped onion, chopped cucumber, little bit of Parmesan cheese, chopped celery, chopped bell peppers, tiny amount, maybe just 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, tomato, parsley, mixing bowl, all together, delicious. Okay, so mixing bowl is there. Pasta's in. There's my rocket, which I've roughly chopped up. I like it roughly chopped. That goes in. The celery goes in. The bell peppers go in. The chicken goes in. Lovely bit of garlic chicken there. Our cucumber, our tomato, our onion, little bit, I didn't show you this earlier, a little bit of lemon juice there. There goes that lovely parsley. I've chopped my egg, in that goes. We're going to go in now with that mozzarella cheese grated, Parmesan cheese grated. We're going to go little tiny bit of garlic, and then we're going to go in with our mayonnaise. Now, I don't want loads and loads of mayo in this. I don't like it swimming in it. I like a kind of nice little coat. And that little bit of lemon juice in there as well is going to just give it that little tang. Okay, we're going to give that a big old mix up. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so that's had a nice little mix. Little bit of salt in there, some black pepper. One final mix. If you want, you could add a bit more mayo. Like I say, I don't want mine swimming around in it, but you could, adjust it how you want. One more mix and we're done. Okay, and there you go. What I'm going to do now, a little bit of paprika on the top. That is beautiful. I really love this one. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.